Good morning, my dear students in grade 3. How are you today? I hope you are fine. What day is it today? Today is Sunday. What is the date today? It's the 10th of January 2021. Our lesson today is Module 6, Top Stars Part 2. Let's get started. By the end of our lesson today, we will be able to ask and answer questions about different activities. Let's revise the words of the previous lesson. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. How many seasons are there in a year? Perfect. There are 4 seasons in a year. What are these? Winter, spring, summer, autumn. Perfect. They are the seasons of the year. December, January, and February, March, April, and May, June, July, and August, September, October, November. Now I want you to match each month with its season. Now please stop the video, match the months with the seasons, and then come back to check your answers. December, January, and February, winter. March, April, and May, spring. June, July, and August, summer. September, October, and November, autumn. Now complete the sentences with the correct seasons. It is rainy in autumn. The weather is cold in winter. The weather is hot in summer. It is sunny and nice in spring. What do you do in winter? I always make a snowman because it always snows in winter. What do you do in spring? Excellent! I always water the flowers. What do you do in autumn? Perfect! I always fly a kite. Why? I fly a kite because it's always windy in autumn. What do you do in summer? I always go to the beach and swim. Sometimes I play and run in the park, or I play in the sun. Let's read the look box together. What do you do in spring? I plant trees. Now please bring your notebooks, write these sentences, put the words in the correct order. Stop the video, write the answers, then come back to check your answers. 1. I play in the sun in summer. I plant trees in spring. I make a snowman in winter. 71. Look and write. Play with the leaves, swim, play in the snow, plant trees and flowers. Number 1. What do you do in spring? I plant trees and flowers. Number 2. What do you do in summer? Please stop the video, write the answers, and then come back to check your answers. 2. What do you do in summer? I swim. Number 3. What do you do in autumn? Look at the picture and write the correct answer. Number 4. What do you do in winter? Please stop the video, write the answers, and then come back to check your answers. What do you do in autumn? I play with the leaves. Number 4. What do you do in winter? I play in the snow. Now open your student's book, page 73, activity 4.
4. Listen to 4 dialogues and number 1 to 4 the pictures A to D. Then check your answers with a partner. 1.
What do you do in spring?
I help my granddad in his garden. I plant trees and flowers. I love spring.
2.
What do you do in summer?
I go to the beach and play with my toys in the sun. I sometimes swim too. Summer is great.
3.
What do you do in winter?
It's cold in winter. We wear our coats and our boots and we play in the snow.
4.
What do you do in autumn?
I play with the leaves. They are orange and brown.
And now activity 5, page 73. It's speaking time. These 2 girls, what are they doing? They are talking. What do you think they are talking about? They are talking about what do they do in different seasons. What do you do in summer? I play in the sun. I run in the park. I go to the beach. What do you do in winter? I play in the snow. I make a snowman because it always snows in winter. What do you do in autumn? I play with the leaves. Or I fly my kite because it's always windy, so I can't fly my kite. In spring, I always water the flowers, as the flowers always grow in spring. Also, I can play in the park.
Workbook, Module 6, Top Stars. 4. Listen and number 1 to 4. 1.
I love this season. It's cold. I sometimes play in the snow with my friends.
2.
This season is my favourite season. You can see flowers and trees in the gardens. It's windy too. Sometimes you can fly a kite.
3.
In this season, it's hot and sunny. It's fun to play in the sun. I eat ice cream every day.
4.
In this season, the leaves are not green. They are orange and brown. It rains a lot too.